Good afternoon, my name is Anya Javitirok and it is pretty hot in here and they left me in the river alone. Anyways, we have, okay, we are in the Pantihan and it's really great here. I mean a little great here and it's a pretty rocky. It's really tough when you like, you know, when you like go down here and you go down the stairs. Yeah, it's hard for me, but I don't know if it's hard for you because I'm scared of heights. So, like, you know, I'm really terrified when we just got down here and like, you know, and like, yeah, pwede akong sumali ah. Pwede akong sumali. Kuya? 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 Pwede akong sumali? Pwede akong sumali.
Sa loob. Hindi, dyan. Tumakay agad.
Pwede akong sumali? Diyan, sali ako ya. Upo din ako dyan.
Wait lang, wala pa nga eh.
Okay, so guys, we are, you know, this is our boat to the safetyness of the height because like Valentine's Day just ended yesterday and then yeah, we are vlogging after the Valentine's Day because yeah, and I am wearing a Minecraft t-shirt because you know, yeah, and there's no pasok today because you know, there's a Pawikan festival going on in the plaza. I don't know what page it is. It's like phase 3, phase 2, phase 1. I don't know because I'm not good at address. And I don't care. And so guys, today, and I forgot to tell you guys, I really hate loud noises. And then Mommy's getting her, you know, iPhone phone. You know, yeah. I know guys, so ang daming mga puno dito. Yeah, and you know, I like you.
Yan ang upuan ng
Okay.
CJ.
So guys, we are going to go to the boat because like, you know, we are going to Sakyan, so you better watch out for here because like it's really deep in here. Antenna too. Okay.
Maganda sana to sa dagat eh.
I can go too.
Dali.
Yeah.
Dito ka, huwag mo isa.
Sumakay ka na, saan yan?
What?
Ano? Saan yan? Saan yan?
Okay. So for
Ganang sa dagat, maganda, malawak. Kahit nalit sa dagat.
Ang cute.
Yeah! Magtakot na ngayon.
Saan pupunta?
Si Josh naman, ayan na, gagasgas na.
mag-hawak mo. Pupunta ko sila dun sa dulo. Di hawak mo dun. Tansay mo doon. Tara, tansay natin. Talo tayo sa taas. Ito din yun. Ayun.
Kuya, bakit ako iniwan? Kuya! Hindi ko kaya, hindi ko kaya, hindi ko kaya. Sabi kasi, na ako'y magpupusok pa rin.
Ano mo isang unang?
Yan, yung bato, yung bato. Yan, yung bato.
Okay.
Ayun na, dumadami na yung tao.
May malaking bato pala dito.
Ang galing ko sa Gwan.
Oo niya. Tara kayo dito.
Okay, dun Jay. Oo.
Yeah, yung ano yan, yung bato. Yung bato. Ayan, ayan, sa Gwan. Hindi kami sinusunod. Mami, huwag na puwi. Huwag na puwi, huwag na puwi, huwag na puwi. Ayoko na puwi, ayoko na. Ayoko na, mami. Sunod mo ako dito. Sunod ako dito, Mia. Ayan guys, naging ano na kami. Naging aswang na kami. Aba, ha. Kami. Kami, bakit niyo kayo di pwede dito? Akala ko kami alas na tayo. Get me away from this nightmare. Ano ba rin? Nakakadal mo talaga.
Hindi talaga kaya. Baba na.
Mama!
Dito nun. Buwangan lang yun.
Anak! Hawakan namin. Mama! Lamig! Aray ko! Dahil, hasiya. Yeah, dali. Oh. Uy, tatuloy ka dito. Dahil, patay. Ha? Patay. Hindi anak pag gumaganyan na umaandar sila. Yan! Kahit mabasa ito. Water! Ikaw manate, ako na yan. Ako manate. Akita! 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 Guys, nakita ko maganda dito, guys. So guys, kung gusto nyo to, okay na to, guys. Mas perfect na to. Teka, saan sa naman? Hindi muna tayo! Nautot ako. Nautot na yan. Saan kayo sila?
Whether near or whether too far, I'll keep you safe inside my heart. No matter the distance, no matter the time, our love will always shine. Through rain or through shine, our love will defy all lines. We'll hold on to each other tight. Together we'll make it through the night. Whether near or whether too far, we'll light up the sky like a shooting star. Nothing can tear us apart, 'cause our love is strong. It's forever, it's forever, it's forever. It's forever.
Every time we cross paths, my heart skips a beat. There's a feeling in the air that's oh so sweet. I can't help but wonder what it'll be like when you finally come into my life. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting for you, counting down the minutes till you're here, it's true. In my dreams I see your face. I'm ready for love, ready to embrace. The anticipation is driving me wild. I can't wait to see your infectious smile. I've been searching high and low, near and far, but now I know you're the missing piece to my heart. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting for you, counting down the minutes till you're here, it's true. In my dreams I see your face. I'm ready for love, ready to embrace. It's driving me wild. I can't wait to see you're infectious. Every time we cross paths, my heart skips a beat. There's a feeling in the air that's oh so sweet. I can't help but wonder what it'll be like when you finally come into my life. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting for you, counting down the minutes till you're here, it's true. In my dreams I see your face. I'm ready for love, ready to embrace.
No?